Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, dear students, and welcome to our science class. Today is Tuesday, and the date is the 7th of December 2021. We are learning about something really important. Yesterday, I asked you a question. I asked, what is the thing that you cannot live without and you find it in nature? Something help you to survive. Can you tell me?
Water.
Excellent. What else? Only water?
Soil.
Water. Excellent. Okay.
Alaikum.
Soil. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. Air. Very good. And what else?
Lava.
Things that we need to survive and we find it in nature.
Food.
Food like what? Animals and plants. Say plants. Because we take food from plants. Wood. Excellent. Wood. We need wood. What about rocks? Do we need rocks? Yes. Why? Because we need to build houses and we need to build roads. Excellent. Let's say also trees. What about the sun and wind? Are the sun and wind from nature?
Yes.
So sun and wind. Oh, this is not everything. There are more and more and more.
And animals.
Yes. Okay. Yes, that's right. What do we call
And
from nature? Natural.
shelter.
Natural. And they are things that we use. We call them, yeah, can you listen to me? We call them resources. So things that we use, what do we call it again? We call it resources. And if we can find them in nature, what do we call them? Natural.
Resources.
And these are the example of the natural resources. Let me tell you something. If people are using fish for eating, for food, people use fish for food. If the fish finishes today, hunt.
This your sound is not good.
Sorry. Okay. Now, what about now? Is my sound good for you?
Not very.
Really?
Away.
Khalid, is it away also now?
Yeah.
Okay. So, if the things that we use, we call them
No good.
resources, alhamdulillah, and they come from nature, we call them natural resources. Now, I'm asking you, Khalid, if you ate fish today, from where did you get the fish?
Nature.
From nature.
Oh,
Okay, which nature? Which
natural resources.
You bring the fish from where?
From the ocean.
Yes, from the ocean. Okay. If the fish finishes today, all the fishes that you hunted today finishes, can you hunt again tomorrow and bring more fishes or not?
Yeah.
No. Yes. So is it easy to replace?
Yeah.
Okay. There are some resources are easy or easily replaced. If they are easily replaced, do you know what we call them?
You forgot the A.
Yes, I forgot the A over here. That's right. If they are easily replaced, what do I call them? I call them renewable resources. So,
renewable resources.
what do I mean by renewable resources? Yeah.
Renewable. Natural resources.
Renewable resources, they are okay, natural
easily
resources.
replaced.
Excellent, thank you. Yeah, they are easily replaced. Okay, these are the main things we are going to talk today in our lesson. Now let's open the book together to page 250 together. Okay, let's open the book together, 250. Let me write the page number. 250. Okay, can you see it? Now I would like you to underline with me, what are the natural resources?
Something that comes from nature that people can use.
Thank you, that's it. Okay, so let's underline. A natural resource is something that comes from nature that people can use. Okay, who can tell me the examples? Who can complete? Faris, are you here, Faris?
Yeah.
Okay, can you continue reading for me the examples?
The air you breathe and the soil that crops grow in are natural resources.
Very good. Thank you, Faris. So the air you breathe and the soil that crops grow in are all natural resources. Why? Because air, we need air to breathe. Does it come and go again and again? Does it go away forever, or it's replaced easily?
Replaced easily.
So definitely, it's not only a natural resource, it's a renewable resource too. Also, the soil that crops grow in. Crops, what are crops? Like what crops? Hi, Khalid. What are crops? Khalid, can you tell me? What are crops, ya Khalid? Like what?
Like
Things that grow in the soil. What do you grow in soil?
plants.
Okay, plants we eat. What are the plants that we eat? Crops.
Apple. Are grown in nature.
Okay, like corns, seeds, apples, carrots. Yes, carrots, cucumbers, all these grow in soil and we need them to have food and they come from nature. That's why we call them nature resources. And if you take an apple today, you can grow another apple tomorrow. So it is a renewable resource. Very good. Now, can you tell me, what are the products that people can do using the natural resource? Think about the pencil and the paper. From where did they make pencil and paper? What did they use? They use something that comes from nature to make pencils and papers. What are they?
Wood.
Yes. Only wood? Habibi? Hi, Mama.
Trees.
Yes, the tree, and they use the leaf of the tree to make papers. They use the wood to make pencils. So natural resources can help us to make products.
They also use the wood for papers.
Yes, excellent. That's right. So natural resources help people to make products for people they use. What about your t-shirt? Can you touch your t-shirt? Tell me, your t-shirt is made of what?
Cotton.
Cotton is what? Cotton came from nature. No, cotton is not a paper. A plant. Excellent.
Trees.
Yes, so cotton is a plant and it came from nature. So it is a natural resource that made your t-shirt. Now, let me tell you about renewable resources. Who can read for me? What are the renewable resources?
Miss, before yesterday, my mom said an apple a day keeps the doctor away, and then I ate an apple, there is no doctor.
Yes, that's right. Okay.
The mice away, the cat's away.
Huh. What's a renewable resource? Who can tell me? Maya Jamal, can you read, Habibi?
Apple.
Jamal, can you read for me, Habibi? What's a renewable resource?
Is
One that can.
with.
The second line, see? Over here.
Okay. One that can be
Replaced. Easily. So they can be replaced easily. Very good, Ya Jamal. Thank you very much. Like what? Like tree. We can plant more trees. We can have more paper and pencils. This is how renewable resources are working.
To make more pen and pen.
Excellent. Thank you, Ya Jamal. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay. Do you know that people used wood to make bat over here? This bat is made of wood. It's made of a natural resource, so people can use to play. See? All right. Also, our dinner is made of natural resources. Look at the plate. What do we have on the plate over here, Ya Mutawakkil? What do you see?
Steak and tomato and
Okay, it's steak. It's a grilled fish. So this is a grilled fish, came from the ocean, natural resource. And these vegetables came from plants, also a natural resource. Now, I want you to tell me, Ya Mutawakkil, is it renewable or not? Yes, excellent. Why you said it's renewable?
Because the fish are
Easy to
renewable resource.
because it's easy to be replaced. Is it easy to replace the fish, to have fish again?
Yeah.
Yes. What about vegetables? Can we have vegetables again?
Yes.
Okay, good, very good. What about water? It's very important resource for water for us to drink. And we have many resources of water, like waterfalls, lakes, river, ocean. If we clean these water, we can use it again and again to drink, to cook, to take a shower. So it's very important, and it can be easily replaced. So it is not only a natural resource, it's also a renewable resource. Okay, 5. Do you understand? Do you understand? Okay. Do you have any question?
No.
All right. I want you to tell me, what did we learn today together? Huh? We learned two
Natural resources.
Nature. Natural resources. Yeah, Khalid. What does it mean, natural resources?
Yes. Yes, miss.
That we use comes from?
Natural resource.
They come from where? The things that you use?
Nature.
Excellent. That we use comes from nature.
And when we play when we play soccer, that I don't know what his name is.
The bat. The bat is made of what?
It's made no like marma. I don't know what his name is in Arabic.
Okay, Khalid. Okay, Khalid. If the resource can be replaced easily, what do I call it? Who knows? If the resources are replaced easily, what do we call it?
Yes.
Huh, what do we call it?
Renewable resources.
Renewable resources. Excellent. So we call renewable resources or things that can be replaced easily. Okay? Things.
Nice next period with 7.
Things can
I can hear you. Can be replaced
replaced.
easily. I did not forget A now. Did you see Iyad? So these are the two main things that we learned today. If you don't have any question, I would like to open a video for you. First of all, the song for the natural resources, and then I want to show you an examples of the natural resources. Are you ready?
The book.
Did you underline, ya Khalid?
Yeah.
We don't need the book anymore. Now, do you have any question, Habibi?
No. No, but Miss, I want to see. I underline all of it or no?
It's fine. Okay, I can put it for you again later. Now let's say bye-bye to recording so we can song, and then later we are going to see the examples of the natural resources. Okay, bye-bye recording.